Could eating less often actually help you lose weight, improve your health, and even live longer? Exploding head. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and scientifically backed eating patterns out there, intermittent fasting 16:8. I'll walk you step by step through exactly how to do it, the benefits you can expect, and common mistakes to avoid. Stick with me to the end, because I'll also share my personal beginner's action plan you can start today. First things first, what exactly is 16:8 intermittent fasting? It's simple. You fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, if your eating window is from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., you skip breakfast, eat lunch at noon, have dinner around 7, and then stop eating until the next day. This isn't about eating less food. It's about eating in a specific time frame so your body has more time to rest, repair, and burn stored fat. And the beauty is you can adjust it to your lifestyle. Night owl? Start later. Early riser? Shift your window earlier. Flexibility is key. Here's the science in plain English. When you eat, your body uses glucose, sugar, from food for energy. But when you fast, your insulin levels drop and your body starts burning stored fat instead. Around 12 hours into fasting, your body shifts into ketosis, a fat-burning state. By 16 hours, something magical happens. A process called autophagy kicks in. That's when your cells clean out damaged components, which is linked to better longevity and lower risk of disease. So, intermittent fasting isn't just for weight loss, it's for cellular repair, hormone balance, and better brain health too. Let's break down the benefits you can expect. Key cap, 1, weight loss and fat burning. Lower insulin means your body taps into stored fat more efficiently. Key cap, 2, better blood sugar control. Helpful for insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes prevention. Key cap, 3, improved mental clarity. Many people notice sharper focus during fasting hours. Key cap, 4, reduced inflammation, linked to lower risk of chronic diseases. Key cap, 5, longevity boost. Studies show intermittent fasting may help you live longer by protecting your cells. Key cap, 6, digestive rest. Your gut gets a break, which may improve digestion and reduce bloating. All right, here's your beginner's 7-day 16:8 plan. Step 1. Pick your eating window. For beginners, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. is easiest. You still get lunch and dinner without feeling deprived. Step 2. Hydrate during fasting hours. Black coffee, green tea, herbal tea, and water are your best friends. 0 calories, 0 problem. Step 3. Break your fast with balanced meals. Start with protein plus healthy fats plus fiber-rich carbs. For example, grilled chicken salad with avocado. Salmon with sweet potato and veggies. Step 4. Avoid processed junk during eating window. Yes, you can eat what you want, but whole, nutrient-rich foods will give you the best results. Step 5. Listen to your body. If you feel lightheaded or overly fatigued, shorten your fast to 14:10 for a while, then build up. Step 6. Stay active. Light workouts in the morning, strength training during your eating window for best performance. Here's what not to do. Prohibited overeating during the eating window. It cancels out your calorie deficit. Prohibited drinking sugary drinks during fasting hours. Even a splash of milk can break your fast. Prohibited ignoring sleep. Fasting can't fix a sleep-deprived body. Prohibited expecting instant results. Give it at least 2 to 4 weeks for noticeable changes. Important, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, underweight, have a history of eating disorders, or are on certain medications, check with your doctor first. Remember, intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's a pattern. Pair it with nutrient-dense foods, good sleep, and regular movement, and you'll be amazed at the changes you see and feel. Start small, be patient, and most importantly, listen to your body. Your health is a long-term investment. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and drop a comment telling me your eating window. I read every one of them. Here's to better health, one meal at a time. See you in the next video.